Asus has launched three new gaming smartphones under its ROG lineup, and today we are going to take a closer look at top 5 features of the ROG Phone 5. We begin with the unboxing experience. Gaming smartphones are always special, and Asus has ensured that you get a unique unboxing experience with the ROG Phone 5. When you open the retail box, you will find a comic book style graphic printed on it. Once you are done setting up the phone, a screen will pop up asking to scan these graphics using the camera. It uses augmented reality to bring the characters alive, and it's a nice little touch and quite innovative too. Moving on to display. The ROG Phone 5 features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display from Samsung, and it has an aspect ratio of 20.4:9. There are thin bezels along the top and bottom to house the stereo speakers and a selfie camera on the top. The display is HDR10 certified. It has 144Hz screen refresh rate and a response time of 1 millisecond. The screen is calibrated using the i6 coprocessor from Pixelworks, and it is used for dark noise suppression, skin tone management, real-time SDR to HDR conversion, and more. Moving on, premium design has always been a strong point of ROG phones, and the latest smartphone is no different. The back is made of glass. It features a nice two-tone design language, and there is also an RGB backlit logo which gives it a distinct look and feel compared to any other smartphone out there. The right edge has power button and volume rockers, and there are 4 ultrasonic buttons called air triggers. Along with motion control, rare touch, and 2 buttons on the Aeroactive cooler accessory, you get a total of 18 controls to enhance your gaming skill set. The ultrasonic controls come handy when playing games with some repeat actions. For example, when playing Asphalt 9 Legends, you can use the air triggers to drift or activate the Nitro Boost. Asus has also bundled the Aeroactive cooler accessory along with the smartphone. It has a cutout for USB Type-C port, it offers a 3.5mm jack, it comes with a dedicated cooling fan and a kickstand so that you can keep the phone on the table and binge watch the content. What sets gaming smartphones apart from regular flagships is where you get a more granular control over the settings to boost the CPU and GPU performance, and the same happens with the ROG Phone 5 as well. Under the Armory crate, you get a console option where you can find a total of 5 different modes that can be customized as per your individual needs. It lets you fine-tune the display, audio, network, touch, and other functions in just a few clicks, and you can get the peak performance out of your gaming smartphone. There is also a featured section under this Armory crate, and it lets you browse and download games that support refresh rates up to 144Hz. Now, coming to the specs. The ROG Phone series has always offered top-of-the-line flagship hardware, and the ROG Phone 5 is no different from them. You get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC which is built on 5nm platform. The smartphone also comes with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB storage. There is also a limited edition model that comes up to 18GB of RAM and 512GB storage. The smartphone also features a massive 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging capabilities. On the software front, you have Android 11 with ROG UI on top. Well, that's it from our side for now. Stay tuned to Counterpoint Research for more in-depth and strategic reviews. Thank you for watching.